How can LOD improve Roblox terrain performance? Imagine building a huge world in Roblox and wanting it to run smoothly for everyone. You might wonder how to make your terrain look great without slowing down the game. Well, that's where level of detail, or LOD, comes into play. LOD is a technique that helps games run better by adjusting how much detail is shown based on how close or far away something is from the player. When you create custom terrain in Roblox, using LOD can make a big difference. Roblox terrain is made up of tiny cubes called voxels. The more voxels you have, the more processing power your game needs. If your terrain is very detailed everywhere, it can cause lag or low frame rates, especially on devices with less power. LOD works by lowering the detail of terrain that is far away from the player. So, distant mountains or hills are shown with fewer voxels and simpler shapes. This reduces the number of polygons and voxels that the game has to process at once. To use LOD in Roblox terrain, you can start by reducing voxel density for distant terrain. For example, if you have a mountain range, you can make the faraway mountains less detailed, while keeping the close-up areas highly detailed. Roblox also supports streaming terrain chunks. This means only the terrain near the player loads in high detail, while the rest loads in lower detail or not at all until needed. This helps keep the game smooth and responsive. Another way to improve performance is by limiting unnecessary terrain features. Avoid creating overly complex underground areas or using too many different terrain materials. Hollowing out parts of terrain that players cannot see, like underground caves or hidden areas, also cuts down on voxel count. This reduces memory use and speeds up rendering. You can also apply LOD to custom models and parts in your game. For example, if you have a large building or object, you can create simpler versions that appear when the player is far away. This way, the game doesn't waste resources on details that no one can see up close. Using LOD in combination with other optimization strategies makes your terrain look good and run smoothly. It's especially helpful for larger worlds or games that need to work well on different devices. Testing your game on various devices ensures you find the right balance between detail and performance. In short, LOD improves Roblox terrain performance by adjusting how much detail is shown based on how close the player is. It reduces the number of voxels and polygons that need to be processed, which helps your game run faster and smoother. This technique is a key part of creating custom terrain that looks great and performs well for everyone.